how do we get the digital economy well integrated into agriculture? The agricultural sector lags behind the services and the industry sector. This has implications for employment and also food security. The digital economy is fast expanding, having significant effects in all aspects of human society. The services sector and then the industry sector seem to be well integrated into the digital economy. And as a result, it is attracting labor from the agricultural sector to the services sector. Although about 52% of Africa's population is engaged in agriculture, food security is hovering around 61%. In agricultural sector production, at the moment, Africa is at a level where we apply only the simple technologies, mobile handsets and internet. In Kenya, there is this app called the iCow, where farmers use to improve milk production. And the evidence based on the research shows that farmers who are using these technologies produce more milk than those who don't use it. And it also improves their income compared to those who are not users. Another technology is adopted in Zimbabwe, where farmers use to detect the soil quality and also availability of water to be able to plant. Although these simple technologies are very useful, adoption rate is very low because of the low level of knowledge and skills that farmers need to be able to effectively use these technologies. Secondly, for the digital economy to have optimal impact on the agricultural sector, there's a need to move beyond the simple tools that are being currently used. Government must step in to support the acquisition of these sophisticated digital technologies. These advanced countries that use drones, they use them for pollination, for monitoring crops, for spraying to prevent insect attacks. The robots can be used in Africa as well to support planting, harvesting, and other activities that contribute to productivity and also reduces post-harvest losses. The costs of these even simple technologies and the data for active utilization of these technologies is on average higher for smallholder farmers in Africa, and whose income are very, very low. So government would have to look at the costs of assessing such technologies, and then cost of internet data, and then continue to improve the infrastructure services, delivery that the government is already embarked upon. So it's a whole effort, moving from looking at it from both the simple technology levels, but also in the long run, looking into the future, how to transition from the simple technologies that farmers are currently using to a more complex and sophisticated technologies that will help improve agricultural sector productivity in general and food production in particular.